Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off "So when you are active together" on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on active status. Then you can see the option of "So when you are active together." Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn off "So when you are active together" on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.